What if I told you the future is already here? No, not in a decade, right now. Imagine a gadget that fits in your hand, replaces your smartphone, and understands what you need without a single screen. Or glasses that translate languages in real time, like something straight out of science fiction. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because these AI gadgets aren't just concepts, they're real, they're here, and they're changing the game. Let's dive into 5 mind-blowing AI innovations that will leave you speechless. First up, the Humane AI Pin. Forget pulling out your smartphone. This screenless AI assistant clips onto your shirt and responds intuitively to your voice and gestures. Need directions? Done. Want to send a text? Just ask. Its seamless integration into daily life is like carrying a tiny invisible PA with you at all times. The best part? No intrusive screens pulling your attention away. Next on the list, the Tesla bot. Yes, Tesla isn't just about cars anymore. This humanoid AI robot is designed to take over mundane, repetitive tasks, everything from picking up groceries to assisting in factories. Powered by Tesla's revolutionary AI system, it learns and adapts to its surroundings. Now, imagine a world where you've got a personal robot handling the chores you hate. Third, meet AI-powered glasses. Picture this. You're on vacation in Tokyo, speaking no Japanese, when you suddenly hear a perfect translation of the street sign in your language. These smart glasses bring that scene to life. Whether it's translating conversations in real time or projecting information in your field of vision, these glasses are rewriting the rules of communication and exploration. Here's a cute one. Amazon Astro. Think of this little robot as a loyal pet, except instead of fetching sticks, it delivers snacks, keeps your home secure, and even reminds you of appointments. Rolling around your house with a friendly personality, Astro makes smart homes feel a lot more personal. Finally, let's talk music. Iva, the AI music composer. No formal training, no problem. Iva can create stunning original music in minutes. Need a dramatic orchestral piece for a project or a soothing piano track for relaxation? Eva handles it all, blending music theory with creativity to craft masterpieces that sound human-made. Who knew AI could unleash your inner Beethoven? These gadgets show that the AI revolution is transforming how we live, work, and play. But with innovation comes challenges, like privacy concerns and the possibility of over-reliance. Can a balance exist between convenience and control? Only time will tell. So, which AI gadget did you find the most amazing? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to MR.MJ for your weekly dose of future tech. The revolution is now. Don't blink. See you in the next video.